Hello guys, now we'll see string handling ways. So basically I'll be showing you the different ways like you can handle string. So string handling is an important concept in whatever programming language you study, because I mean your day-to-day life you have to handle the string anyhow. It will come to your work. So I'll show you different ways, then you can just go on to HackerRank or wherever you can try to solve problem, but I'll show you the like functions and other methods to solve string handling. So the first set we have is length. Suppose I have I say variable string. I'll say this is JavaScript. I want to get the length, so I'll say star dot length. Okay, I can just say variable result console.log result. See, you can see 18. So the size of the string is 18. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. So this is 18 length. Okay. Now coming to the accessing. Okay. Now we'll say indexing. You can say accessing any particular letter. So here you have to use 0, 1 like that. So it starts from the 0 and goes till whatever number, like this will be the 0, T will be the 0, then 1 will be the H. Okay, so let me just show you. I'll say string 0. Now I can say console.log save it. So you can see I'm getting T. Why? Because I say okay, give me the 0. So start indexing start from the 0. So I'll say give me the 0. Now if I say same, give me the 1, 2, 3. Now if I say just 1, 2, you can see I'm getting THI like this. Then I'll say give me 8. See, I'm getting the J. So that's how you can get the indexing. Now other way of indexing is that you can do console.log str.char at, and here you give the number. So I say 10, 7 suppose. So at 7 it's showing 0. Why it's showing 0 char? Okay, it's square I. Yeah, undefined. Okay guys, it's brackets only like this. So why it's showing null? Because 7 comes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this space is 7. So if I change it to 8 suppose, see you coming J. See str8j and normal caret 8j. You can just say 10 also. So this is the way also you can just do like char at this position, at that position. You can get the letter, whatever position you will write. Now we'll see slice. Okay, slice is very much good. So suppose I'll say res equals to slice dot I'll say 0, 4. Okay, so let me just cut from here and paste it, copy, and so I can tell you. So I'm saying str dot slice, and this is not dot. Yeah, so I'm saying from 0 to 4 give me all the letters. So it start from 0, it will give you T, then H, then I, then S. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So till 4 only, so it won't give you fourth one. Okay, so it will give you this. So if I say console.log, see I got this letter easily. Now suppose I want from 4 to 8, I just copy this. I'll say give me from 4th, so it start from the space till 8th, so it will give me till another space 8th. Okay, see from this space to another space, see you have a space. Now if I show you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, So this from J, okay. So I want to print the JavaScript, so I'll just say here from 9 to 18, okay. The last is 18. See JavaScript, no, not 9, from 8. From 8 to 19, so you got JavaScript, okay. If I say 17, it will not take T, so I have to say 18. So this is slice. You just enter the number from where to where you want, from 6 to 8, whatever number you will give, it will just extract that and give it to you. Suppose it's very lengthy script, okay. So but I want from the backwards. So what I can do, I can say res equals to star.slice. Now from backward I start. I say I want to get this word but from the backward. So I'll say -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So start from -10 because I want from the backwards, okay. So I say -10. Till where? I say till -6. So -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll get the Java word. See, I got the, I have to console that. I got the Java. Now I want the full JavaScript word. I'll just say minus till -1. Okay, I'll say 0 till. No. How come I get the T? Okay, yeah, I just have to say -10. So it will take till last, from -10 to last. Okay, but I just want the Java word. So I'll say till -6. So -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 came till here, and -10 was here. -10 to -6 from the backwards I'm going. So this is the way you can do in minus also. Now suppose I'll just say here res equals to star.slice, and you say like 8th, okay. So it will extract till 8th. I have to console that result. See, I got JavaScript. So how it's happening? Starting from the 8th to the end, like from the 8th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8th, after the 8th, whatever there it is, it's extracting. If I say 7, so you can't see anything because that was a space. See, there's a space from space to end. If I say 6, so it will be S, from S to JavaScript. So this is the way you also can slice. Now if I say slice from 12, so I got the script word. How? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12th start from the script till the end. Okay. So this is the way how slice works. Now you have substring. Substring is basically like slice. It's just that you can't give negative values like this. So if I show you res equals to str.substring, and suppose I give 12, okay. See, again I got the script here. If I give 0,4, I will get I will again just write this in the slide here only. I will get this keyword, okay. And same I will do with substring. See, substring getting the same this keyword. See, 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So till 4 only, like this. So this is giving me the same result. It's just that you can't use minus indexing. So suppose if I write -10 -6 -10 -6, see, it's showing null. Oh, sorry, I can't do that. So it doesn't support minus indexing, okay. It supports plus, same as slice. So it's better to use slice. Why will I use substring? Okay, but that's there. Now there's something else which is called substr. What this does, suppose let me just copy this string. I will say start from the ninth keyword and give me 4 words like this. Okay, I will tell the number of word I need. Res equals to star dot substring. I say from the eighth from here, give me 4 words. So I'll just add 4. It's like how many words you need starting from that particular point. So I'll say I need this particular word starting from, I say 4. Okay, console.log. Yes, it gave me Java. See how I say start from 8th one and give me 4 words only like this. Now from the 12th I need 1 2 3 4 5 6 word. Okay, now I'll just copy this. From the 12th, give me 6 words. See, I got the script, but in slice you have to write 18 here, because you have to give the particular index number. Here you have to tell how many words you need. So say I need 6 words. Now you can do directly also. You say just like start from the 12th one and give me till end. So starting from the 12th till end is the script only. Save it, you got the script. See, so everything's working fine, nothing else. Okay guys, so Sebastia, everything, there is no any problem. Now we'll see. So this, if you are confused, always use slice is the better way. And you are getting so much confused, no problem, just study it. When you solve the questions or make any projects, it will come in the flow. Okay, I mean, I also forget some of the stuff I have to Google, so it's normal. Even the nooglers also who works in Google and Facebook FAANG companies, they have to also Google everything. Now we'll say suppose includes. So suppose this is my string. Okay, yeah, so I'll check includes. So I have to check whether is there any word I want to check or not. So I will say res equals to star dot includes. I have to check whether this is word is there or is not. Okay, so if I say console.log res, so it's true. Okay, there is a word called is. Let me just console.clear here. So there is a word called is in this string. So let me cut this part and paste it here. Okay, let me just remove the variable I am declaring again and again. Yeah, so if I say double s is, does this string contains is keyword? No, it doesn't. False. Does it contain Java? True, it contains Java. Does it, sorry guys, does it contain script? True, it contains script. Now does it contain Java script? JavaScript? False, but there is JavaScript. So why? Because it is case sensitive. You have written small j and here it's a capital J. You can clearly see. So that's why it's sending false. If I make it capital, see, true, it's contained this. Okay, now suppose I have this is JavaScript 2 times. Okay, now I have to check. I'll say CSS. This is CSS. Res equals to str dot includes. I have to check whether this contains JavaScript or not. Okay, so it contains, but I want to check after this. Okay, after this, so till here I think it will be 18. So I will say okay, search after the 18th index. Okay, so after 18 it will search here. Now I'm getting false. Okay, it's searching after the 18th one and telling okay, there is no word called CSS. But in normal you can see above one it's totally showing you true. But I say okay, search after this 18th index, showing false. You don't have any word called JavaScript. Now we'll study let me just, now we'll study replace. Okay, lace replace. Yeah. Now suppose I have this word string. Now I'll say s result equals to str dot replace. I want to replace JavaScript word with HTML. Now if I say console.log res, see I got this is HTML, this is CSS. How? I'm just replacing this Java word with the HTML. How do you have to replace? String, replace, and whatever word you want to replace with the word you want to replace with. Okay. So if suppose you did everything right, but you make the wrong, suppose JavaScript 1, which is not available here. Okay, this is wrong. If I save it, you still get the same. So it will return you the same. Okay, same string, nothing much. So, but if it's correct, it will return you the HTML. So if you are wrong, it will return you the same string because it couldn't find. But suppose, let me paste it again. You have JavaScript 2 times. It is also case sensitive. If you write small j, then don't work. Now you are replacing. See, this is HTML, this is JavaScript. How come it's not replaced again? I have this is JavaScript, this is JavaScript. I have say, okay, replace JavaScript with HTML. But here you can see it has only replaced the first JavaScript, not the second. Why? Because guys, it's replaced only the first, whatever it found the first. So suppose if it was JavaScript 1, then it will replace this. So whatever it found the first, it will replace. See? So that's the logic here. It will replace one only, whichever it will found first. Okay. Now suppose I want to replace from everywhere. How do I do that? Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just say global. So this is a regex part, regular expression. So I think you should know, just do like this and write here G. G means I think global, I'm not confirmed. So globally replace JavaScript word with the HTML. See, now from both the places it got replaced, nothing much. Okay. You can just, yeah, so both the places it got replaced. Now we'll see like uppercase and lowercase. So if you want to change something to upper and lower case, so if I say str dot to lowercase console.log result, see everything got in lowercase. JavaScript was bigger, but it's got in lowercase. If I just copy this, paste it again here, see it got into lowercase. But if I do same thing with uppercase, see everything got in the uppercase. So this is the way you can use uppercase and lowercase. It used most of the time, not very easy, I know. Now guys, we'll use this is called concatenation. Concatenation means joining of strings. So that we have already studied, but still I show you. Suppose there's I directly write console.log hello plus word, and I put a space here. So string got concatenated, matlab added. But in real how it got, so I'll say suppose there is a str equals to hello. Okay, now I'll say console, I say res result equals to str dot concat. So this is the official way. You say string dot concat. I want to add something to string, and what you want to add, I'll say world. Then you say console.log result. See hello world. Now you can see there is not a space. Okay, I want to say firstly there should be a space. So what I'll do, I'll put a space here firstly, this, and here a comma. So it will add hello plus space plus word. Okay, see, so how many times you write, it will just keep on adding that terms. If I just show you again and again, you just say okay, okay, see, okay, okay. So just the first string, and how many string you want to add, just keep on adding the string with the comma, it will just keep on adding. So this is called concatenation. Now next we have trim. So trim, I won't think you will be generally using. It's widely used when you do web scraping. I mean, if you have done web scraping, this is the most, whichever language you use for what do you say, web scraping, this will, you will be using. So suppose maybe whatever language it is, so suppose you have a string which have too much of spaces. Hello Syed Zeno, how are you? So you can see you have too many extra spaces. So when you do web scraping, it comes. Okay, or maybe from database user is entering with too many spaces. So you want to replace those strings. So I mean, you will go and one by one delete, and that's not the feasible way. So you'll do str, you will do such console.log str.trim. See, it got trim in the starting, it got trim, and in between it is as it is, but suppose in the ending you have also a space. See, ending also got trim. So whatever in the starting and the ending you have, it will be get trimmed. You can see hello Syed Zaino, how are you? But if you have this like this, then it will perfectly fine. So extra spaces, ending and starting, it will get trimmed. Now I think it had trim end also and trim start also. So yeah, see, it like it's normal trim both side. Now if I just say trim in the end only, then in the end only trim, not at the starting. And if I say trim at the start only, in the starting it trim but not in the end, you can see there is a space still there. So this is what trim does. Now we'll say split. Split is, I like split, very much easy to use. Suppose you have a str, you say you have you have some name. Suppose you have Java, C++, C, Python. Now you want to get whole these values. I'll say console.log. I want to get these whole values in a different way. Okay, these are in a string. So I know this is separated by a comma. Okay, there is a comma and it got separated by this. So I'll just say str.split, put a comma, brackets, and put a comma. Oh, okay, it will be in strings. It got Java, C++, C, Python in an array. So I mean array, I will make you study afterwards. So you got Java, C++, C, Python. Same way, suppose you have another string which is separated by hello, how are you? So I want every word to be separated. I'll just say console.log str.split. You know this is separated by one space. So I'll just put single space. See, single space. If you have a dash somewhere, I have just one dash. So these are two things. Hello, how are you? I will put dash. See, hello, how one word, are you another. So this is also way you can split it. Now the next we'll see searching. Okay, searching, like how to search something. So I'll say str is equals to this is JavaScript. I'll say str dot index of, I want to know the index of is, okay, where the is starting. res equals to, I'll say console.log. You can see 2. It's starting at the 2 position. Yeah, this is the 2. Okay, firstly it founded here 0 1 2. Okay, index 2. Now suppose I want to search the index of Java word from where it's starting. 8th. Okay, see 8th starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8th. Now suppose when you search the is, it's giving you the first one, but I want to search this one. Okay, so I'll say start from 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, start from the 4th index. Start the searching from the 4th index. See, now giving me 5 is starting from the 5. I told start from the 4th. Then after starting from here, it just found it in the starting only. So this is the way you can search index of. Then you have also last index of, suppose you have, now no position I'm giving, I'm saying just tell me the last index of. I got 5. How? Because now it's searching from the backwards and got is first, so it gave me 5. If you say first index of, there is some errors. Dot str dot first. I think there is nothing called first index of. It's by default here. Let me just check. FIRST first. Okay, there is nothing. Okay, by default when you search index of, it will be the first only. So from the backwards also you can do last index of. Then you have starts with, and suppose you want to search console.log. This is JavaScript. I say starts with. Does it start with this? It will say okay, true. Yeah, it start with this. If I say start with hello, false. Now if I, same way I can say console.log string.ends with script. You get true. Yeah, it's end with the script. If I say script 1, no, it doesn't, but with the script it ends. Okay, so you can do start with, end with. Yeah, I mean, then you have something called search, so you can say str.search. You say Java, I mean, you just console it. See 8. So it's same as search the what do you call str dot yeah, you can search like this also, but str dot search, just give the word or maybe the index of, that's also a way same thing it does. So it gives you the just starting position. So these are some string handling ways you should know, I think. Other than that, I know this a lot, but you have to keep on trying some, like on some word problems, then these will be easy. There's no problem. Okay, so yeah, that's it in this part, guys.